In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the favicon on your Wix website. This small but essential detail can enhance your site's branding and help it stand out in a crowded browser window. If you've ever wondered how to make this change, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Wix dashboard. For those who might be new to Wix, this is your command center, where you can manage every aspect of your website. Once logged in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. As you enter the Settings section, you'll notice a variety of options designed to help you tweak different aspects of your site. But for today, our focus is on the website settings. So go ahead and click on that option. Now, scroll down through the settings until you find the section labeled Favicon. If you're unfamiliar, a favicon is that tiny icon that represents your website in a browser tab. It's often overlooked, but it plays a significant role in your site's identity and credibility. In the favicon section, you'll see an option to either upload a new image or update an existing one. Click on Upload Image if you're adding a new favicon for the first time, or Update Image to change an existing one. Now, it's time to select your new favicon file. If you already have one saved on your computer, simply select it. If you need to upload a new image, click on Upload Media and follow the prompts to add your new image file to Wix. Once you've selected or uploaded the desired image, hit Choose File to confirm your selection. You'll notice the selected image now appears in the favicon section. This confirms that your favicon is set in place, but hold on. There's one more critical step before you're finished. To make sure your new favicon appears live on your site, you'll need to click Save. This step finalizes all the changes you've made, and just like that, you've successfully updated your website's favicon. When you glance at your Browsers tab, you should now see your brand new favicon proudly displayed. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to enhance your brand's visibility online. Updating your favicon is a simple yet effective way to polish your site's appearance and make it instantly recognizable to your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to check back for more tips and tricks to make the most of your Wix website.